FOXWELL NT726 OBD2-scanner. Honest review. Real results without dealer fees. You replaced the part, cleared the code, drove 3 days. Light came back on. Sound familiar? I've been there. Standing in the driveway at 7 in the morning, coffee going cold, genuinely questioning every decision I made in the auto parts aisle. The problem wasn't the repair. It was the tool. Drop a comment below if this has happened to you. That knot in your stomach when warning lights multiply and nobody gives you a straight answer is real. You try basic code readers. They spit out a number, nothing more. No live data, no active testing, no confirmation that your fix actually worked. Here's the thing though. There's a smarter way to approach this, and it doesn't require a dealer appointment. Don't just pick any OBD2 scanner. Make sure it has true bidirectional control, so you never suffer the endless cycle of replacing parts blindly and watching that warning light return within a week. That's the line that changed how I shop for diagnostic tools. Then I found the FOXWELL NT726 OBD2 scanner, and honestly, it felt like stumbling onto something most people overlook. Here's what surprised me most. It actively commands your vehicle's components in real time. Test the ABS pump, cycle the injectors, retract the electronic parking brake. You're not just reading codes anymore. You're interrogating the car directly. The 12 reset functions cover everything from oil service intervals to steering angle calibration, DPF regeneration, and battery registration. No dealer visit required. Let me be honest. A technician I know was diagnosing a Ram truck late on a Friday night, nearly convinced the transmission needed replacing. The NT726's live data and active tests revealed a simple sensor drift instead. $40 fix, done by midnight. That's the kind of clarity this tool delivers, consistently. Imagine starting every morning knowing your vehicle is genuinely monitored, not just assumed fine. That's what daily life looks like after consistent use of the FOXWELL NT726 OBD2 scanner. You pull codes before problems escalate. You verify repairs with live data before buttoning everything back up. Over time, that habit saves real money and eliminates that slow, quiet dread of unexpected breakdowns. A Ford master technician writing for FOXWELL's blog described the NT726 as curated rather than limited, meaning those 12 functions were specifically chosen because they represent the most common real-world repair tasks. An independent analyst noted it delivers better long-term value than Autel's MK808 precisely because there are no annual subscription fees eating into your savings year after year. One Ravane reviewer tested it across 47 ECUs in a Mercedes W212 and reported clean data extraction across every module. That's not marketing language. That's a documented result. Now, if the price feels like a stretch compared to a basic reader, think about it this way. One avoided dealer diagnostic visit typically covers a significant portion of this tool's cost. Quick question, how many dealer trips have you paid for this year alone? One fair note, not all 12 reset functions work on every vehicle, so checking compatibility first is genuinely worth the 2 minutes it takes. The FOXWELL NT726 OBD2 scanner turns guesswork into certainty, and that shift changes how you maintain every vehicle you own. Over 1 million automotive technicians and home users trust FOXWELL tools for exactly this reason. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and see for yourself. Results may vary depending on your vehicle. No pressure at all. Just genuine confidence that you finally have the right diagnostic tool working for you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.